The purpose of this video is to scientifically characterize and understand the ways for accomplishing carbon dioxide removal and storage. We have an urgent climate crisis caused by excessive levels of atmospheric greenhouse gases, in particular carbon dioxide. To fix this problem, we need reduction of our annual fossil fuel usage, also known as mitigation. But it is absolutely essential, but it is not our topic. Less well known, but also essential, is the need for long-term carbon dioxide removal, also known as CDR. The word removal is usually understood to mean not only carbon dioxide capture, but also to include carbon dioxide storage. There are only two major ways to capture atmospheric carbon dioxide. One way is nature-based capture. This is plant growth, photosynthesis. This is what is taught in grade school as basic biology. The second type is inorganic compound creation, which is essentially an engineered capture of carbon dioxide. This literally uses machines or chemical processes that grab hold of the carbon dioxide gas. There are three major ways to accomplish carbon dioxide storage. Organic matter storage will prevent decay and will hold the biomass. And inorganic compound storage is where we're able to bury or otherwise hold our inorganic compounds. We can put together what we've done thus far and see capture and storage and how they line up and relate to each other. Between these processes or activities of capture and storage, we have product, we have physical materials, biomass in the case of plant growth, and inorganic compounds in the case of the engineered carbon capture. Biomass contains energy and can be redirected. If it is burned completely to ash, it becomes totally carbon dioxide again. Using the process of pyrolysis, we are able to produce biochar. Biochar is essentially elemental, solid, stable carbon. Think of it as charcoal. The only way that biochar or charcoal can be produced is by pyrolysis of biomass. We changed the title of our graphic to be options for carbon dioxide capture and storage, and we fill in the boxes for biomass and inorganic compounds, giving examples of materials which are produced in this intermediate stage. For carbon dioxide capture, 5 types of plant growth are identified, and we use the suffix letter G to indicate growth, that this is actually the process of removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere in growing and living plants. There can be other names for things, but this group works well for us. On the storage side, 3 types are identified. Again, there could be others. One of them is standing trees, the wood structures, and soil organic matter storage. Note the letter S in the end to indicate storage. The word trees does not refer to the plural of tree. It refers to tree storage of the carbon that came from carbon dioxide. For inorganic compound creation, 4 significant types are named. There are also 4 types for storage of the inorganic compounds, but those are not matched up one-to-one with the other side. They can be crossed over. The storage options for biochar are listed as being in the soil or incorporated into structures, or it could actually even be buried deep into mines. The various options for capture and storage can be combined in a variety of what I call paired ways. A few key ones are listed here, but there could be others which become quite specific to specific types of plants or specific types of chemical processes. And we add on some common short names for ease of reference. There are 7 short-named ones, and those names have been placed on our graphic. A set of names that are in current usage, which I will call the old system, can be compared directly with the new set of common short names. 3 of them are exactly identical, slight differences in interpretation or emphasis, but they are identical otherwise. The other 4, there are some variations. The new system is trying to be more descriptive, more close to the actual circumstances. The one name that is most changed is the old name of Bex, which, as you can see in this diagram again, Bex is actually the plant growth through biomass down to being burned all the way to carbon dioxide, which is in a concentrated chimney emission, which is the capturing method, and then it goes into the storage in one of the options for soil or geology or in construction. This video and the proposed revision of terminology about carbon dioxide removal is extracted from a written text. That text, entitled Understanding Removal and Storage of Carbon Dioxide, is available at the website woodgas.energy/resources. Decisions about terminology are not made by single individuals, but by scholars and organizations working in the field. The ultimate decision is by usage in education and by the general public. This video and the written document are provided in order to stimulate a discussion about the terminology relating to carbon dioxide removal.